is a true story about all the lies you fantasize about you and I. This is a true story about all the games I know you play. No, this is not what I need. Give me love, love, give me love. Not what I want. Give me love, love. Ain't gonna happen to me. Give me love, love, give me love, love, love. Give me love, give me love, 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 love. I'll play the villain if you need me to. I know how this goes, yeah. I'll be the one you play the scene, while the cameras please. Running like a die, wasting all the time, sneaking like a creep in the night. But I'll play whatever part you need me to.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but then just come spend a day with me, okay? Okay guys, yeah, come spend a day with me. But then I'm already running late, so we don't have a time to waste. But then just tag along.
You just need someone that's calm and patient. Love makes you domination. Watch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke. That's my best combination. You just need some big with no complications. You just need some. You just need some late night attention, unconditioned. All that you're missing, my baby.
Guys, let us go and buy some ice cream because yashisa, and the lighting is good this side, so I'm walking like, yeah.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lame niggas, baby. I just need a love. Won't you be my plug, hey? You could be the one, hey.
Guys, we just got back from taking pictures. Guys, say hi to my vlog. Yes. Hi guys, hello guys, hi guys, hello guys. How are you guys? I hope you're doing good. Guys. And also, as you can see guys, send me afro man never have an afro looks because I felt like, you know, I need to change for a while, you know, because this life thing has also been evolving a lot this year. So I thought, you know what, let me just change. And this, as you can see, and also like an outfit of the day. All green me. So yeah, so today we are doing an unboxing. We're unboxing a package that we got from Sadida. So yeah, it's just two t-shirts, nothing crazy, nothing amusing or something like that, but it is amusing. Yeah, so let us get into it.
Well, I think I'm in love with this one. You see? It's so nice. Yo, the fabric. I love it. Love it. Love it. Loads get sana. Yo, it's so nice. I really love the fabric. But the thing is, I'm not so by man. Sometimes it's busy big. But then, it's so nice. The quality. Sana. Oh, swipe, my darling.
Phone hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net.
Good morning, guys. It's the second day into the vlog, and I am doing my hair. I'm washing it, and I'm also doing a straight back, because just a simple straight back, because the hairstyle that I once had, if I'm gonna tell you guys, somebody already did it in class, and not just one person, 2 people. So I'm kind of gonna look like a copycat, but then my skin looks so good. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm already late. It's 8:30, but my appointment is at 9. Yeah, it's at 9, so I'm already late, and I still have to walk a distance. Yeah, let's get into it, guys. Oh, I want to show you my new baby, guys, before I leave. I'm so excited for this journey. It's been my dream or a goal. I've always wanted like a plant, a baby. You know what? Well, this is my baby, y'all. How cute is she? She is so nice. I'm really hoping she's gonna behave, because I'm willing to take good care of her, but then I still have to give her a name. Please suggest name in the comments. Okay, guys, let's go before give a late.
2,000 years later.
Guys, I am back from the salon, guys. Would you please look at that? Oh, just look at how clean they are. Yo, I am so obsessed. I'm in love. I am just like, oh, I'm so gonna have a good week. That's nice, but I'm so tired. The sitting and all that. Sana. Yo, and I just did my edges. I wanted to see if I could do them properly on this hairstyle. I feel like, what's that TikTok sound? Hey yo, what's your name? I'm Titi the Bob. Titi the what? Titi the Barber. I feel so good. Kosiam, Yabandla, she eats. Oh my goodness. Oh, she. Squishy. Guys, I'm gonna see you tomorrow, because there's nothing to see actually. It's just me and my boring ways, tactics. Bye guys, have a wonderful evening. Love you loads. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
The next day.
Tapu bebe tu kono tsena go heavy. Bana di mazulu. Bana ba manchata zulu. Besizini, pute ke mbone kankulumu utuphume video. Guys, I look and feel so good. Shame. Lapho ngi late. It's 6:32. Mara mina ngiphume ngo-half-past exactly. I'm late, mara guys, spend a day with me. I'm going to attend my classes and come back. That's it. I'm just like, yeah, this life has no balance. I have to go to class, but I don't know whether these classes look good on me, or I should just be like, you know, I think I look good like this. It just looks so cute, but like this, I look so serious. 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 Yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you later. Cheers, guys. I feel like a lady today. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you my outfits. It's like so mama.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Guys, let's go take pictures.
No, guys, ilunch is scheduled ngama-debate bandla. Yo.
Hey, Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you tell your kids the biz, the fame, the pictures that's hating. It's
Bingelelani guys, say hi to my vlog. Copyright. Guys, meet Amu, the spokesperson of the group. The Silinga sisters, the very corruptive ones. Okay, ke velan ke. Velan ke angithi niyatweka nina. Bulisan ke. How? Yeah. The lighting is so nice here. It's a little bit.
Hi guys.
We are by Spa. Was that? Nani now? Hello, Victor. Victor, you actually did this? I almost fit. Log TikTok. 7 rand maning next sama ngane. Ah. 17. Mara angeke izinele. Or lawa guys. She's next. Are you 26 love? Why John? Thank you. Bestie, this is me. I'm back and I'm tired. I'm glad. Yo, what a day! What a day, guys! This is me. This is the end of my day. I'm hoping you all are still good, doing good. Yeah, you know, yo, guys. Yo, hey, bandla. I was not routine because I'm tired, but then if you got to this point of this video, thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much. I love you loads. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Putting life from the critical society. Can I see? Did you pass? Can I tell? I'm closing my box today.
Yes, I'm her manager. COO.
Yeah, guys, that's my manager. Yeah. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love you lots. Thank you for being here with me. I so love you and appreciate you. And by the way, I feel good. I look good. I'm about to go home, so yeah. It's all. I'm done for the day. And I'm living the editor video in. Yeah, so guys, bye bye. It's been nice. It's been a very nice week. I enjoyed being with you, filming for you. I think I'm starting to like this content thing because like documenting life is something like that is interesting. Yeah, so I can bully vlog. Like, subscribe and share.
Please, kindly, please subscribe. She's very effective, trust me.
Trying to say thanks.
At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary.